Good morning, students of class 9B. In the period of mathematics, we are going to start one new chapter, that is the factorization. In this exercise 4.1, question number 1 states that factorize the following by taking out the common factor. So, in question number A, 4x square y cube minus 6x cube y square minus 12xy square. From here we have to take out the common factor. So it is important to know which one is the common factor. There are two types of terms. One is constant terms, those are 4, 6 and 12, and another is variables, those are x square y cube, x cube y square, xy square. From these three terms, 1, 2, 3, there are three terms. From these three terms, we take out the common factor. So first of all, what will be the common factor among these constant terms? Those are 4, 6, 12. So we can write 4 equal to 2 into 2. 6 we can write as 2 into 3. And 12 we can write as 2 into 3. So in these factors of 4, 6 and 12, 2 is common. What are you saying? 2 is common. So among constant term, this 2 became the common factor. Now there are two types of variables, x and y. What is the least power of x? Least power of x is here 1, means minimum power. Least power of x is 1. So this x will be common factor. And what is the least power of y? Least power of y is y square. So this y square will be common factor. Now in the first term, that is 4x square y cube, if we take out 2xy square, then what is left in this term? So at the place of constant term, 2 is left. At the place of x square, 1x is taken out, so 1x is left. At the place of y cube, y square is taken out, so only one y is left. Minus, you give here minus. So what is left in second term after taking out this much? So from 6 to we have taken out 3 is left, because 2 3 is 6. From x cube, x is taken out, so x square is left. From y square is taken out, nothing is left. Minus, from 12, 2 is taken out, so 6 is left. This x is taken out, nothing is left at this place, so we will not write anything at the place of x. And this y square is also taken out, so at y square we will not write anything. So this became the factors. There are two terms of the factors, 2x square, 2xy square into 2xy minus 3x square minus 6. So in question number A, what did you see as the common factor of this constant term? We can say this 2 is HCF. From these constant terms, we find the HCF, and from the variables, we find the least power. Least power. So these two things you will keep in mind. Roman number 1, for the constant term we find HCF, and for the variables we take out the variable with least power. Now in question number C, 2, 8, 12. So following this, first we find the HCF of 2, 8, 12. 2 into 1, 8, 2 into 2 into 2, 12, 2 into 2 into 3. So what is common? This 2 is common. So here SCF became 2. At this place SCF became 2. Now the least power. So directly you can write here also for your rough calculation, least power of x is x square. Here x square. Least power of y is only y. So here we write, so this will be taken as common. We write 2x square y, bracket starts. What is left in the first term? X cube is left, because x square into x cube. So powers will be added in the form of multiplication. This will be x to the power 5. Y is there, so y is taken out. So at the place of y, we will not write anything. From the second term, this much is taken out. So 2 4 ja 8. 4 will come, because from out of 8, 2 is taken out. So 4 is left. From x cube, x square is taken out. So only x is left. And from y square, y is taken out. So only y is left. For verification, if you multiply these two, then you will get at x cube y square. How? 2 4 ja 8, x square into x equal to x cube, y into y equal to y square, minus 2 6 ja 12. Out of 12 we have taken out 2. So at the place of 12 we will write only 6, because 2 6 ja 12. X square is taken out. Out of y cube, y is taken out. So at the place of y, what is left? Y square is left. So this became the factors. In question number C, 24m to the power 4 n to the power 6 plus 56m to the power 6 n to the power 4 minus 72m square n square. So as we find the SCF of these constant terms, for that we write 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 56 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, and 72 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we will find the common terms. So first is these two, second is these two, third is these two. No more common. So SCF became equal to 8. Now from the variables, those are m and n, we will take the least power. Least power of m is m square. We write here m square. And least power of n is n square. So we write here n square. Now this term we will take common. So for that we write 8 m square n square. What is left in the first term? 8 3s are 24. So 3 will come here. Out of m4, m square is taken out. So m square is left. Out of n6, n square is taken out. So n to the power 4 will be left. Plus out of 56, 8 is taken out. 8 7 ja 56. Out of m6, m square is taken out. M to the power 4. Out of n4, n square is taken out. N square is left, minus out of 72, 8 is taken out. 9 is left. M square is taken out. N square is taken out. Nothing is to write here, bracket close. So this became the factors of this equation. In question number G, the question is 2a into p square plus q square plus 4b into p square plus q square. So there are two terms. This is the first term. In this p square plus q square, and in this p square plus q square, this is common, so we take it out, close inside bracket. What is left here? This 2a is left, right, and here plus 4b is left. Now what are we seeing? P square plus q square. Out of these two terms, 2 will come out. What is left? A plus 2b. Now these two should be written at first. Then you write p square plus q square into a plus 2b. In question number I, the question is mx plus ny whole square plus nx minus ny whole square. So in this question we have, this is a plus b whole square, so a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this side, this plus came here, this is in the form of a minus b whole square, so here we can write this plus came here, nx whole square plus ny whole square minus 2nx into ny. Now we come to this part. So in this part, we can write mx whole square as m square x square, ny whole square we can write n square y square, and these two mx ny, this we write 2m n xy, and here we will write plus n square x square plus n square y square minus 2 So there was a little mistake. Here is an x minus my. So this is in the form of a plus b whole square. I wrote a square plus b square plus 2ab. And this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So I wrote a square plus b square minus 2ab. This we can write as m square x square plus this we can write as n square y square plus 2mn xy, and here n square x square plus m square y square, here will be m square y square minus 2mn xy. What are we seeing? This plus 2mn xy minus 2mn xy cancelled because both are plus minus. Now if you take x square common, then m square plus n square from these two terms, x square common, so m square n square will come in bracket, plus from here y square common, so m square plus n square will be in bracket. What is the common term? This m square plus n square is common. What is left? X square plus y square, that will close in bracket.